Dear students, how are you all? I think all of you are completely well. I am also well by the grace of the Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah. Once again, I am here to conduct a class. My today's class is on English first paper, and this class is dedicated for class 11 who are eagerly waiting to get promotion into class 12 without attending any single class directly. No doubt you are very unlucky you have qualified as a collegiate after passing your SSC exam, and you wish to attend classes seriously so that you can qualify your HSC in a same ratio. You should remember we are passing a critical time for COVID-19 pandemic. That's why we are compelled to stay home to keep ourselves safe and sound. By the way, I have picked my today's lesson from Unit 1, and this is a topic from Lesson 2. The subtitle of my today's lesson is Nelson Mandela. After reading the whole passage, I have picked some important vocabs for you. You should read the whole passage repeatedly at first, and I think after that you will some unknown words, unknown vocabs there. Then you have to learn the vocabs and its meanings and synonym antonym as well to get a clear conception about the topics. Already I think you have got a notion. My today's lesson is about Nelson Mandela. Do you know who is he? If you know, just write to me in comment section. But after that I would like to give you a common conception or information about him. Nelson Mandela is the most reverent political figure, political personality still now all over the world. He fought throughout his life to make his countrymen free from racial segregation. For this reason, he was imprisoned for several years, nearly 30. Exactly, if I want to say, the number of the year is 27. He was behind the bar, and his only accusation that was against him was his struggle against racial segregation. By the way, I have written some vocabs here, and the meaning of this vocabs is written here. I have written the synonym and antonym there. My first word is shakel. Shakel. The pronunciation of this word is shakel, and the Bengali meaning of this word is bandhan. The synonym of this word is chain or restriction. Chain or restriction. And antonym is freedom or liberty. Freedom or liberty. The second word is apartheid. Apartheid. The pronunciation of this word is apartheid. The Bengali meaning of this word is jati biddesh. Jati biddesh, or hatred against a race. If I say in English, the synonym of this word is inequality or injustice. Equality or injustice. The antonym of this word is justice or impartiality or equality. My third word is imprisoned. Imprisoned is my third word, and the meaning of this word is kararuddha. Bengali meaning is kararuddha. The synonym of this word is locked up or captivated Antonym is liberated or free. Liberated or free. My next word is reconciliation. The Bengali meaning of this word is punormilan. Synonym is written here unification or adjustment, and the antonym is separation or partition. Separation or partition. My last word that is written here is emancipation. Emancipation. The pronunciation of this word is emancipation. Bengali meaning is mukti. Synonym is liberation or freedom. Liberation or freedom. Antonym is imprisonment or confinement. Imprisonment or confinement. Dear students, I have some limitation. That's why I have written 5 vocabs here. You have to find out the all the unknown words from the passages after reading it again and again, because without vocabs you cannot go through properly. Now I would like to shift questions. I have written 2 questions. My first question was, who was described as an icon of peace and reconciliation? And additional portion is why. Who was described? Students, already we have got clear conception that Nelson Mandela was described as an icon of peace and reconciliation. We have to find out the answer from reading the passage, and we have to take a portion of the answer from the question. Nelson Mandela was described. Just look that we have picked the name of this renowned personality and inserted it here in place of who. In place of who, we have inserted Nelson Mandela was described as icon of peace and reconciliation. Why? This is the main part of this question. Why he was described as an icon of peace and reconciliation? Because he fought throughout his life with his countrymen, and this fight was peacefully, not violently. He fight with his countrymen peacefully to make his countrymen free from racial discrimination. You know, in that time there was a conflict in South Africa against the black and white persons. The white persons were the superior people of the country. They didn't either recognize the black people as their countrymen. This was the main problem there. Nelson Mandela thought, white or black, both are South African. They should have the same right and position in South Africa. This was the main motto of his struggle in that time. With whom Mandela shared Nobel Prize in 1993. From this portion of the question, we get a conception that Nelson Mandela obtained Nobel Prize in 1993. And we are asked to answer with whom he shared the Nobel Prize. Who was W.D. Clark? Yes, the answer is given there. Nelson Mandela shared Nobel Prize with W.D. Clark. With W.D. Clark in 1993. Who was W.D. Clark? W.D. Clark was the then president of South Africa, who realized that Mandela's position is right, his struggle is just. He realized it and decided to recognize his movement. So students, this was from me from today. My suggestion to you, you have to read the whole passage again and again. You have to answer the raised questions. If you face any problem, just communicate with me. I will help you. I would like to give you a homework. You have to write down the summary of this passage. You have to write down the summary of this passage, and this is the homework for you. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you very much.